Watch the birds. Thank you for allowing me to film your family.
You're welcome.
Oh, it's on my head. Look, family. What is that on my head? So I'm gonna prop this up where it can film. And then I'm gonna get this one. Again, thank you for allowing me to film from a YouTube channel.
You're welcome.
Oh my god.
Share your birthday on your house.
That's fun. Part of the experience.
So they have food in here or you had to buy it?
No, they get you food.
Yeah.
They just keep coming on my arm.
That's one on my head. I hope you can see that, family. And it's one on my hand with the camera. How many are there on my head? 4. Is it showing on the video? There you go. There you go. So now on here. Oh. And 4. Don't you do on my head. No PC dropping. No droppings on my head.
Up a little bit. There you go. On my head.
Don't you do on my head. No PC dropping. No droppings on my head. Oh. Alright, let's roll. Yes, yeah, I have another one on my head. It's a cutie, yes. So you see that one on top of my head, Sam? Yellow flamingos. To give you a little history. Ooh, see what it was in 1994, 2002, 2005, and then 2010, 2010. Okay, so they're the ones who greeted us coming in. So here are the flamingos. Alright, so it's time for us to head back. It is 12:14 for our time, for the ship time, but it'll be 1:14 for Dominican time. They're an hour ahead of us. Right. So thank you so much, family, for staying on this journey with us. Let's see, what did we do today? We saw the dolphin. You had the dolphin watch, and then the dolphins were swimming around in the water. They had people interacting with the dolphins. We saw people, we saw the sharks and people interacting with the sharks, feeding the sharks, snorkeling with the sharks. We saw some of the birds like the flamingo and the toucan, some of the larger ones. What's in there? I thought I heard a bird over in there. Shut the door so they won't be able to get out.